and now you're it. I go. Back and now you're it. I go. Back and now you're it. I go. Back and now you're it. I go.
So, as I've mentioned before, I joined beauty YouTube because I am a fan. I've been watching for years and I want to join in the fun. So what is one of the fun things that we do in the beauty community is tags. So I am going to start, if this is not already a thing, if it's a thing, sorry, let's just revamp it or revise it. But if it's not, then let's start a tag called our makeup struggles or my makeup struggles. So what we're going to do is we're going to list out 10 things that we struggle with in makeup. It's totally easy to do because I'm sure makeup is a struggle in some way for everyone, including me, as you can see. Number one for me, I have the weirdest eyebrows. Like, you just do not understand. So this side wants to grow super long while this side stops like short like this. So literally when I do my eyebrows, I'm having to draw on and even out my eyebrows completely. It's the worst. I hate to do it. And then they're curly. So it's like long and then they're curly. I don't know where I got it from, but yeah, that's what I have to deal with. Second thing is I have really small eyes. Like, they are so small. And the weird thing about this whole thing up in here is not only are my eyes small, they're close to my weird eyebrows. So I have very little lid space to work with as far as my eyes. So yeah, that's a struggle. 3, you know, we all get them, fine lines and wrinkles under my eyes that like to hide product in them all day and make you look a little crazy by the end of the day if you've been sweating. 4, I have extremely sensitive eyes. Like, it is so difficult for me to find an eyeliner that I can put in my waterline that I can deal with. I actually ended up finding this one, it's called Crop. If you have sensitive eyes like me, this is great. Crop. I found it at Marshalls. It was either Marshalls or TJ Maxx like a long time ago, and I'm still using the same one. But yeah, I don't have any problems at all. However, it will kind of transfer on you if you don't take powder and set it. But other than that, no problem at all. I am on the hunt for an eyeliner that will not give me, as Teresa is dead will say, spicy butthole eyes. Okay, so moving on. 5, I have no inner corner. I said that right. The inner corner of my eyes, you know how everybody gets that bam pop of inner corner greatness? Yeah, not me. Literally, if I turn to the side, I have almost no bridge to my nose. So what that basically means is it's like a piece of paper. Like, it's totally flat. So when you see me do my inner corner, it's not inner corner. It's just the front of my nose that I'm trying to make look like an inner corner. So that sucks. But you know, that's what I do. It's a struggle. So 6, I have oily cheeks. Oily cheeks, of all things, oily cheeks. So the rest of my face is dry, like cracking at night if I don't moisturize, dry. The inner corner of my face, like all day, is building up oil, so I look like a little, what do they call those, bulldogs? By the end of the day, because I have like such oiliness right up in here, and everything else, normal to dry. It's the weirdest thing, just right up in here. My face is way lighter than my neck. And I'm not talking about like a little bit. Like, if we're speaking in camera terms, this is like 4 stops lighter than this. So finding foundation that matches me, I can match my face great. But it's a toss-up for me. So it's not like I can match to my neck, because if I do, then I'm basically, you know, doing, I hate to say this, doing blackface because it's so much darker than my actual face. And if I pull the lightness of my makeup down to my neck, well then it just looks off. So yeah, struggle. I have very small and flat lips. Literally, like they are so small. Like I see the rest of my face. I think I'm alone in having these little small flat lips. I literally have to draw them on. I mean, I don't know, maybe one day I'll fix that, but we'll see. So struggle. 9, I can't put on lashes to save my life. I mean, here's the thing. When I do other people's makeup, totally, no problem at all. No issues whatsoever putting on other people's lashes. But when it comes to mine, I can't do it. It's like that. They're always too big for my little small eyes, even if I cut them. So if I have to cut them, I have to cut off so much that I may as well have not even bought them. It's doggone near in half in order to fit my little tiny little eyes. But you know, struggle. Last and certainly not least is I have a round face. I mean, granted, a lot of people think the round face thing is cutesy. I mean, I'm an adult, I'm a grown woman, and people call me adorable quite often. And I think that is because of how round my face is. But do you not understand the struggle to chisel out a jawline or whatever you're trying to go for with a round face? I'm basically a balloon. Ugh, struggle. So that was fun. And so we're gonna use the hashtag makeup struggles and tell us about your 10 struggles that you have with makeup. And let's see how this does out in the beauty tubes or the beauty atmosphere or the beauty sphere. If that is not a thing, it is my thing now. Beauty sphere. So thank you for tuning in, and yeah, struggle. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you saw, like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Keish from Channel Beauty, signing off.